magandang umaga, hapon, gabi kung anong oras mo man 'to pinapanood. My name is Gabriel Luis Benito and today is September 16, 2025 and our topic today is soul sleep. And our verse today is First Thessalonians 4 verse 13 to 15. And yeah, sabi dito, what is soul sleep? It is a belief that when we died, our soul will be in a deep sleep or in a unconscious state or we are in a stasis. Kumbaga, we are just sleeping. We're just parang resting lang kumbaga. But however, the Bible teaches that the body does sleep but the soul is in conscious state. Kumbaga, it is aware of its surrounding pa rin na we are still aware where we are, 'di ba? Who we are, 'di ba? That's why uh uh it is a big misconception that after we died that everything ends na, that's the end. No. After we died, it's either we are in a in a hot boiling place or if you are believers, sabi nga after a believer dies, they directly uh they are directly beside uh, with God, 'di ba? Kasama na agad nila si God. Kaya there are three teachings, three reason why you should not commit suicide, why you should not commit killing others or killing yourself nga, 'di ba? First is our death is not our end. Our death is not our period na after we died, that's it. Everything we have done, parang wala lang, parang there is no judgment na, there is no new chapter after we die, no. 'Di ba nga yung after Lazarus and the wealthy man die, they were aware where they are, 'di ba? Lazarus went, to heaven besides with God and beside with God and the wealthy man, he is aware that he is in a hot boiling place or what you called hell when we say that or hindi pa siya yung hell, eh. I forgot but ayun nga, it means that our death is not that our final chapter or it is the conclusion of our life. No, it is just the beginning kumbaga. And yeah, pangalawa, many people love you, especially God. No, some people when when committing suicide, they only thought that no one really loves them and we cannot blame them, 'di ba? Especially if di ko pa nararanasan, I don't want to make any comment about that. But don't you don't you ever dare saying that no one really cares about you, no one really loves you because God really loves you. God has created you, 'di ba? God has molded you with his own hands, 'di ba? Kaya don't ever say that no one really cares about you or no one really loves you. Kaya pangatlo, God has a plan for your life. Even 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 if you even before you were born, God already knows your existence. God already knows that there is a certain person that will do this, that will carry this kind of name, this kind of lineage, and it means that God has a plan for His people. Na God is not yung God does not abandon his people na after he created us parang, "Okey, diyan na kayo." Parang nilagay niya lang tayo sa isang playground na bahala na tayo kung anong gawin natin. No, God has a plan for us. Ah, that's why value your life, value your precious life because we were can you imagine, ah, in creating when creating us in womb, 'di ba? It takes 9 months. 9 months, can you imagine? It takes 9 months for you to be formed, to be created, and after that, before that, we were just in a sperm or egg sperm cell and many sperm cell, but you won, 'di ba? Among millions or billions of sperm, you have won. You reach the egg cells, 'di ba? 'Di ba? Kaya you are special and God has a plan for you. Ayan, yeah. For our application, for our practical application is first is wait patiently for God, 'di ba? Let us wait patiently for God. I know it seems like it will ano, it will not happen. It will not parang antagal, 'di ba? It will take a long years to come before God happen. Before God uh, return. No, God I will return. God will return. God will return and we should wait patiently lang. Um Let us be prepared. As we wait, let us be prepared for His coming by sharing His word, by sharing His gospel, by 'di ba? Ko making others aware of His existence, of His of His return, 'di ba? And yeah, pangalawa, always remember that the people you will left, 'di ba? After you commit suicides, ayun na, 'di ba? Parang yes, having depression, anxiety, having stress, having stress in your life, it really bothers you. Physically rin, it affects you physically, mentally, spiritually. But always remember the people you may left when you commit that kind of thing, 'di ba? 'Di ba? The people that I don't know, especially your family or or your friends, especially God, 'di ba? Remember the good things in life. Remember the things that you know after you left to this world. Remember the people that will cry for you, 'di ba? That will, some people will say pa nga, probably they are the problem, baka gano'n pa nga, 'di ba? Parang baka pa sila ang sumunod because they will carry a burden na baka nga sila yung rason. Let us not Let us not do that. And yeah, pangatlo, have faith even things seem uncertain or it doesn't make sense. Have will to live, 'di ba? Yes, some circumstances or some in some cases in our life, it seems like there is no na pag-asa, there is no hope na parang paulit-ulit na lang. I've been there and I am still struggling in this life now. Parang paulit-ulit na lang, corruption, ganyan. Tas parang after 2 to 3 years, parang gano'n din, parang walang nagbago. It seems like nothing has changed or nothing has changed, 'di ba? It seems like uh, God is not doing anything. It seems like our faith, our life has no purpose. No, God gave you a purpose. God gave you a mission. 'Di ba? That's why you were created in this world, to not just to be called a creation. No, you were created by God because there is a purpose, 'di ba? You need to find that purpose and for you to find that purpose is by reading the Bible, 'di ba? Kaya have faith when things seems uncertain, when things seems or when things doesn't make sense. Always always ask for help of help help uh, ask for help towards God, 'di ba? Read the Bible. That's why when that's why if you have having a really bad time, really having carrying this kind of problem, a certain problem, always ask for help. It you uh doesn't make you feel weak or vulnerable. Asking help is a big, 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 uh, big positive way of you surrendering your problem, 'di ba, to God. Ayun nga. Per our discussion, what is the importance of knowing that the soul does not sleep? The importance of knowing that soul does not sleep, it makes you think of your future. it makes you think of your it make you it makes you think about what will happen in the next chapter of your life, 'di ba? Parang nagiging aware ka, nagiging kumbaga calculated ka sa mga bagay-bagay na ginagawa mo sa buhay na and you know, wa wala kang mentality na YOLO, you only live once, na parang lahat hinahabol mo, lahat parang nauubusan ka ng time, gano'n. Kasi if you are in that kind of, mindset or state na parang YOLO, parang lahat ira-rush mo, eh. Lahat parang you don't take a no for an answer. But that's really, a dangerous thing kasi because of that mentality, you're putting yourself in danger, eh. You're putting yourself in the enemy's, hand. Kaya let us be aware that after this life, there is a new chapter of our life. Na after this chapter, there is a next chapter. There is a next page in our book. Um, yeah, it gives you awareness. It helps you invest to yourself by by sharing the word of God, na hindi ka lang nakafocus dito sa presence, kundi you are having a sabihin natin assurance plan na being with God. And yeah, you're being careful to the things that you are doing, saying, 'di ba? Nagiging aware ka sa mga bagay-bagay. And yeah, and for our, conclusion, ayun nga, na this life of ours, and after we died, um, this is not the end of our existence. This is not the end of our chapter. There is another chapter of this life. That's why you should, as much as possible, as much as there is time pa, invest your life. Look at your life as a valuable thing, 'di ba? Ask yourself, how can I make this life valuable or meaningful? Na after I exit into this world, yung masasabi kong worth it yung binigay na buhay sa atin ng ating Panginoon, 'di ba? And yeah, value your life. If you have if you have a problem or carrying a burden, or a problem, depression, anxiety, ask for help. Specifically God. Ask for God's help, and also talk to someone within your someone that you fully trusted, and especially also ask for professional help din. Kasi that kind of depression, that kind of thing is wag natin i-dismiss. Meron din scientifically behind it, 'di ba? Hindi lang emotion 'yan, kundi meron din yang pinagmulan na puwedeng makatulong mga professional, especially God, the Bible, that will eradicate that, that will pinpoint that and will try to eradicate that. And yeah, that's all. I hope that you have learned something. I hope that this will not be your last time doing this. Have a blessed day. God bless.